Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Toyota Rav4 can take you to some really cool places, like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. To start, we're going to remove the underbody panel on the driver's side. It's held in by 2 push pins towards the rear, and right behind the wheel well we have 1 nut. We'll start by removing the 2 push pins. We'll be using a flathead screwdriver. And we'll use a 10mm socket to remove the nut. Towards the end, we're just going to loosen it up all the way, and then we'll just pull it down. Now we're going to remove this tow hook on the driver's side. It's held in by 2 bolts that we'll remove using a 17mm socket. Now on the passenger side, we're going to lower our exhaust. It's held on by 1 rubber hanger right here, and we're going to spray it with some soapy water to make it easier to remove. And it helps to use exhaust removal pliers. So our underbody of our vehicle is prepped for our hitch. Let's go ahead and point out our attachment points. On the driver's side, we'll be using these 2 weld nuts. We'll not be using the one in the middle. And on the passenger side, we'll be using these 2 weld nuts. Now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We'll be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is heavy. With our hitch lined up, we're going to secure our driver's side first. Each attachment point comes with a bolt and a conical tooth washer. We want to make sure that the teeth are facing towards the hitch. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. With all of our bolts in place, we're ready to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer specifications. We'll be using a 19mm socket, and it helps to use a 5-inch extension. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. Now we're going to reinstall our exhaust. To make it easier, we'll spray the hanger with some soapy water again. Now we're going to reinstall the underbody panel on the driver's side, but we're going to need to modify it so it will fit with our hitch. We're going to cut out the end of this, following the rib as a guide, and we're going to be using an air saw. Now that we've cut that out, we're just going to line it up and install it around our hitch. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 4 inches. And from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 12.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack or cargo carrier. Alright guys, so that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with the U-Haul Hitch Professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.